Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can keyframe video effects on CapCut. Super simple. You're just going to select effects, go to video effects, and you're going to select the effect that you want. I'm just going to select like the blur effect, and then I'm going to add it to the video. Okay, to keyframe the effect, just simply select on the video effect and select the keyframe here, and then for instance, you want to blur it from 100% to like 0, add another keyframe, and then just adjust the opacity of the effect again. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!